Welcome to this stunning 3-bedroom penthouse with double lock-off. This unit comes with its private rooftop, plunge pool, and spectacular views of the Riviera Maya's jungle. This property is ready for immediate delivery. There's no construction, no waiting, just smart investing and beautiful living ready when you are. And when you work with me, you'll have access to resort-style amenities, which include a spa, gym, semi-Olympic pool, jacuzzis, fire pit, and a co-working lounge, to name a few. This penthouse is perfect for families, group stays, or investors who are looking for flexibility and strong returns. Let's take a look inside. I'll walk you through the layout and finishes, then we'll explore the amenities.